beauties. Wait till you see this eye transformation. From simple to absolutely stunning, these eyes are about to steal your breath. Welcome back, beauties. Today's video comes with a gorgeous twist you won't see coming. What starts as an ordinary moment quickly turns into pure eye makeup magic. Just look at this transformation. Deep blended purples, metallic shimmer that lights up the eyes,
a perfectly sharp wing that adds fierce definition. Even with a mask on, the eyes deliver full glam drama.
This look is bold, captivating, and guaranteed to turn heads. Ready to see how this stunning surprise comes together? Let's jump in.
Hey beauty lovers! Welcome back to the channel today. We're taking a closer look at this absolutely stunning and ultra glam eye makeup look. The blend, the precision. The boldness, everything here is just perfection. If you're someone who loves powerful eyes that speak louder than words, you're going to fall in love with this look. Just look at how beautifully the colors melt into each other. The transition is seamless, the blending is smooth, and the color placement is pure artistry. These eyes instantly grab attention, elegant yet fierce. Glamorous yet so wearable. This is the kind of eye makeup that makes you feel powerful the moment you blink. The star of the show is definitely that purple smoky gradient. It starts deep at the outer corner and transitions into a magical metallic shimmer towards the center. The silver inner corner highlight adds a mesmerizing pop, making the eyes look brighter, bigger, and full of dimension. The shade selection is flawless, bold but classy, dramatic but completely in control. And can we talk about the liner? That wing is razor sharp, bold, and beautifully extended. The lower lash line has a gorgeous smoked out effect that balances the top lid perfectly. The contrast of the black liner with the purple tones makes the entire look captivating. This is true glam energy. The brows are so well sculpted, clean, defined, and framing the makeup like a masterpiece. They complement the eye look instead of overpowering it. The attention to detail is so professional. Every small feature enhances the elegance. What makes this look even more impressive is how expressive the eyes are even with the mask on. This is the perfect example of eye glam speaks louder than lips. The makeup transforms the entire vibe, mysterious, bold, and beautifully confident. This look is the definition of confidence, creativity, and flawless technique. The color choice, blending style, liner precision, everything is on point. If you love makeup that turns heads effortlessly, this is the look you should absolutely try. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more stunning makeup inspirations. See you in the next video, beauties.